Hi, John. Yeah, I'll show you what to do here. Now, there's two types of thumbnails, or what we call this, that wraps this border around an image. Here's typically in the page without a caption, and the border just goes around the image. On a page where we actually have a caption already in there, we have a container that we wrap around the image and the text. Okay, so we'll go here. You see how the blue goes all the way around. That's what you're wanting, right? Now, typically, when there's no caption there, I'll just apply the thumbnail directly to the image. If you already had a caption there, I'll wrap the image and the caption that you already had. I'll wrap that in the thumbnail container. Now, with all that said, here's what I would do in your situation. I'm going to send you this little snippet of code right here. And this is a thumbnail wrapper container. Okay, so here's basically what I would do. In the email, I'll have this code right here. I want you just to go and create a new page and put it into the code view. So create a file, new HTML page, right? And in that page, just get rid of all the junk. So put it into code view, get rid of all the junk, right? And go to the email and grab this div class pull right and just paste it in the page for now. Okay. Now go to your page where you want to add the caption. Okay, so let's go back to our step page here, for example. Right, I want you to click on the image, go to code, and you see how the entire image is selected and highlighted already? Yeah, just right click and copy. Go back to the dummy page that we created and paste it in here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to pull a little bit of information and then replace, right? So basically where it says image, we have the images right here and then the image JPEG, right? You see how in your image tag right down here it says source equals? We'll just grab the name of the image, step logo for example, copy it and paste it right here. That's sort of step number one. If you want to change the alt tag, change it right here. And for the caption, replace caption goes here with your own text. Okay. When all that is said and done, all you need to do now is just grab these 4 lines, copy, go back to your step page for example. You see how everything's still highlighted in blue? And if it isn't highlighted in blue, just go back, click on the image once again, go to code, and immediately paste in that new wrapper. So all we're doing is if we look at what we have here, break it down a little bit, we have a class of thumb pull right. Okay. And that particular class there is wrapped around the image specifically. What we want to do is we wanted to create a container that wraps around the image, still using the thumb class so it has the border, but we want to put the text inside of it along with the image. So that's why we're doing this. And if you wanted this thumb container to be aligned to the left side of the page, you just, where it says pull right, just change it to pull left. And that's it. So that's basically how to go and change the basically we're converting an image from a thumbnail and we're adding a wrapper around it. I think the easiest way is just to and this is really what I do myself. It's like, oh, instead of trying to type it all in by hand, I take a snippet of that I use for all those things and update it that way. So I'll just copy this email. If you have any trouble, just let me know.